The Medical Village project at Clifton Springs Hospital and Clinic provides people in Ontario County with access to state-of-the-art technology and welcoming facilities previously only imaginable in larger city hospitals. When you enter the facility from the hospital's south entrance, you will be greeted at the brand new Patient Access Center before moving to our pre-admission evaluation suite. Once in surgery, you will be in the care of experts working in some of the most comfortable and high-tech spaces in upstate New York, including 2 operating rooms equipped with brain lab technology, 2 ambulatory procedure rooms, and 2 endoscopy rooms. After your procedure, our team will bring you to our post-anesthesia recovery unit, or PACU. If you are having an outpatient procedure, you'll rest here until it's time for your ride home. If you're having a more extensive procedure, you'll rest here until we bring you to your hospital room. This stunning facility was made possible by our generous community, led by our friends at the G.W. Lisk Company and the late Marjorie B. Morris. The Lisk Morris Family Foundation's generous matching grant of $1.5 million is inspiring employees, grateful patients, and community members to support the construction of this community gem that will save and improve lives for years to come. To participate in their matching gift program, which ends December 31st, 2020, visit give.rochesterregional.org/Clifton Challenge.